Ahasha mnana dakika 15 z'Eihangwe President Yoweri Museveni n'omukazi we nibwo bakaacha ikororo mu Kampala okugamba hambe yeri omwihanga.
General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
President Museveni yaashoboorora kwihangariza nirutunguka ebukozurwe ebirimu nibikorwa n'ebitebekanisiibwe kukorwa.
The prevention strategy remains the most powerful tool for fighting diseases. Therefore, I urge all Ugandans to adopt healthy lifestyles. Government has invested in a number of health infrastructure projects. These include infrastructure development for the Uganda Cancer Institute and regional cancer centers, the Uganda Heart Institute, intensive care units, and imaging centers for referral hospitals. Construction of new maternity wards and staff houses in the health center tools that are being upgraded to Center 3 is currently ongoing.
Mukuru w'ihanga hona yayorekanwa abanya-Uganda abashirye mu obworo bachendire okurga habiceka 20 harigana okuza habiceka 16 harigana omyaka ene hingwene.
In the past 4 years, our growth has been broad-based, inclusive, and pro-poor. The latest National Housing Survey report that was released recently by the Uganda Bureau of Statistics shows that the share of Ugandans living below national poverty line has fallen to 16% from 20% 4 years ago, surpassing the 2025 national target of 18.5%.
President Museveni yagamba no ku government iri kuza gukora enguuto nyingi okusya abantu obuheereza kandi enguuto zirimu rwaka bwohebuzi bw'eranyakambu orw'amuhanga rwa mucyushi kisizi n'orwa ryantonde rumbugura akayi ngo niziza kuterwa koransi.
The roads to commence construction to tarmac standard next financial year include 46.6 kilometers Kabohe, Nyakambu, Buzwera, Nyakambu, Nsika. Abanyabwejo at last.
Yayanjwe enteekateeka z'okutungura eby'amagara eby'oburambuzi eby'obugwiga bw'omwitaka n'ebindi.
During the next 5 years, it is projected that Uganda's GDP is going to more than double to USD 158 billion in 2030 in exchange rate terms and US dollars 296 billion in purchasing power parity terms. These achievements are not by accident. They are on account of deliberate and focused government interventions. Cumulatively, over the last 10 years, government has injected 8 trillion shillings in strategic wealth creation initiatives, which have boosted economic performance. These initiatives include: number 1, capitalization of the Uganda Development Bank, 1.45 trillion shillings, to provide affordable capital to manufacturers and small businesses.
President Museveni yaraganisa kwari kuza kugaruka mu kugamba ahabura bwenguzi gashakweri yasortugusa.